Yeah, I don't think it'll take her long outside the shelter to just relax. And okay, here we go. We got a visitor. Hey guys.
He is absolutely gorgeous himself.
Mm-hmm. He looks like he's got some.
He's gorgeous, though.
Some rock water in him or something.
Or is he? He's for a boy.
Yeah.
One that would wrestle with him, he looked like.
Hey, gal. Hi, big boy. Well, he's going to New Jersey, so he'll get a good home up there. She's just kind of looking. Let's see. Hi. She doesn't like leashes. She needs a little leash work. Hey, gal.
She about did.
What? Oh, yeah, she did chew it.